Everyone, today we are in Polignano. Polignano is a stunning place in Puglia region, and it's a village was built on the rock, and was the village of Domenico Modugno. Do you know Volare, oh, cantare, oh, and this is Domenico Modugno. You know, Volare was sung by Dean Martin too. A very beautiful place. Now we go together to see the landscape from this point. What color! This is a very stunning place because during the seasons the Redbull organized the Redbull Cliff Diving World, creating a diving board from where the people enjoy diving. Is a very amazing event in Puglia. Now we walk together inside the village. Let's go. This is a part of Roman road, Traiana, who linked Rome to Brindisi. This road. Now we go down to the beach. Let's go.